Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 22nd May 2024. In this video, we will teach you top 10 current affairs MCQ with explanation. For daily current affairs video, please subscribe my channel and bell the notification icon.
Question number 1. World Biodiversity Day is celebrated every year on.
Answer is 22nd May. International Day for Biological Diversity or World Biodiversity Day is observed on 22nd May every year to increase awareness and understanding of the issues of biodiversity. The World Biodiversity Day 2024 theme is Be Part of the Plan. In December 2000, the UN General Assembly adopted 22nd May as World Biodiversity Day.
Question number 2. Who makes history to become first Indian space tourist?
Answer is Gopi Thotkura. Blue Origin successfully completed its 7th human spaceflight and the 25th flight for the New Shepard (NS) program on 19th May 2024. Indian expatriate Gopi Thotkura made history as the first Indian space tourist and the second Indian to venture into space, joining the crew for Amazon founder Jeff Bezos' Blue Origin's NS-25 mission. Hailing from Andhra Pradesh, Gopi Thotkura was one of 6 crew members.
Question number 3. Which public sector bank has topped in business growth in financial year 2024?
Answer is Bank of Maharashtra. Bank of Maharashtra, BOM, emerged as the top performer among public sector banks, PSBs, in terms of business growth during the fiscal year 2023-24, FY24, according to published financial numbers of the public sector banks, PSBs. Bank of Maharashtra recorded a remarkable 15.94% rise in total business, domestic, in FY24. State Bank of India, SBI, placed in second position with a growth rate of 13.12%.
Question number 4. Which country is set to become the world capital of total solar eclipses?
Answer is Spain. Spain is set to become the world capital of total solar eclipses when 2 episodes of the rare spectacle are set to take place on 12 August 2026 and 2 August 2027, said by a Spanish astronomer, Frank A. Rodriguez. Aside from being visible in Spain, the next total solar eclipse, which will occur on 12 August 2026, will also be visible in Greenland, Iceland, Russia and a small portion of Portugal, with a partial eclipse visible in Europe, Africa, North America, the Atlantic Ocean, the Arctic Ocean and the Pacific Ocean.
Question number 5. Ibrahim Raisi died in a helicopter crash. He was the president of.
Answer is Iran. The Iranian government has confirmed the death of President Ebrahim Raisi, its foreign minister Hossein Amirabdollahian, and 7 other people in a helicopter crash on 19th May 2024. Indian government has expressed its condolences on the death of Ibrahim Raisi and has announced a day of mourning on 21st May 2024. Iranian Vice President Mohammad Mokhbar has taken charge as the acting president of Iran.
Question number 6. Who has won the men's single title of the 2024 Italian Open tennis tournament?
Answer is Alexander Zverev. The 81st Italian Open was held in Rome, the capital of Italy, from 6 to 19th May 2024. Alexander Zverev won the men's single title of the Italian Open tennis tournament, while the women's singles title was won by the world number 1 player Iga Swiatek. This was the second Italian Open title for Alexander Zverev, while it was the third Italian title for Iga Swiatek.
Question number 7. Who has been elected as the President of the Confederation of Indian Industry, CII?
Answer is Sanjeev Puri. Chairman and MD of ITC, Sanjeev Puri, has been elected as the President of the Confederation of Indian Industry, CII, for 2024 to 25. Sanjeev Puri replaces R. Dinesh, Chairman of TVS Supply Chain Solutions, as the President of Confederation of Indian Industry, CII. Rajiv Memani has been appointed as the new President Designate, and R. Mukundan has been elected as the new Vice President of the Confederation of Indian Industry, CII, for 2024 to 25.
Question number 8. Who has received first stamp released to commemorating 200 years of Indian origin Tamils in Sri Lanka?
Answer is Sri Sri Ravi Shankar. Indian spiritual guru Sri Sri Ravi Shankar received the first stamp release to commemorate the completion of 200 years of Indian origin Tamils, IOT, in Sri Lanka. The stamp was presented by the Governor of the Eastern Province of Sri Lanka, Senthil Thondaman. Governor Senthil Thondaman highlighted that the stamp symbolized long overdue recognition for the Indian origin Tamils in Sri Lanka.
Question number 9. Who has created world record in the women's T20 400-meter para event race?
Answer is Deepthi Jeevanji. Indian para-athlete Deepthi Jeevanji etched her name in history by winning the gold medal in the women's T20 400-meter event at the World Para Athletics Championships 2024. Deepthi clocked 55.07 seconds, breaking American Brenna Clark's earlier world record of 55.12 seconds. Azel Onder of Turkey finished second with 55.19 seconds, followed by Lizanshala Angulo of Ecuador on third with 56.68 seconds.
Question number 10. Archaeologists recently discovered the first evidence of rock art in.
Answer is Mangaluru. Archaeologists have discovered the first evidence of rock art in Mangaluru, Karnataka near Boloappanne Koteda Babu Swami Shrine. The rock art is in the form of a pair of human footprints. The footprints may have been created in the 1st or 2nd century AD. Rock art refers to paintings and rock paintings, which were unquestionable cognitive evidence of illiterate societies. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.